You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase. And how do you call this famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci, which is at the Louvre Museum in Paris? You in France, you ask for the Mona Lisa. Most French people are not going to know what you're talking about. You have to say La Joconde. La Joconde is how you call the Mona Lisa and the character. And that comes from Italian. If you want to learn how it's said in Italian, I've got a video for you. Wait for it. But this one, La Joconde. La Joconde. So if you're in Paris, and you can ask for La Joconde. La Joconde, not Mona Lisa. Here's a video how to say it in Italian for you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.